Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
If your Apple ID is locked out, stay calm and follow steps precisely. First, confirm you can access a trusted device or trusted phone number. Open a browser and go to I forgot. Apple. Calm on any computer or phone. Enter your Apple ID email address exactly as registered, then follow the prompts shown on screen. If you use a recovery key, have the full 28-character recovery key ready for later verification. These preparations speed the process and avoid repeated account lockouts during recovery. Begin recovery at I forgot. Apple. Calm and enter your Apple ID when prompted. Apple will ask to verify using a trusted device or trusted phone number. Approve the sign-in request on your trusted device to receive a 6-digit verification code. Enter the 6-digit code into the browser to confirm your identity and continue. After verification, you will be allowed to create a new password for your Apple ID account. Choose a strong new password that you have not used before for this account. If you cannot verify identity immediately, start an account recovery at I forgot. Apple. Calm. Provide the contact phone number where Apple can reach you during the recovery process. Apple will review the information and may require several days to verify your identity fully. You will receive instructions by text or email when the account is ready for a new password. Optionally, use the Apple Support app to begin recovery and upload proof of purchase to speed verification. Monitor the contact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.